Experience Istria in the hinterland of Koper. Only a few minutes from the seaside town, you will find yourself in its arms, embraced by the Šavrinska hills. The Istrian countryside is full of ethnological, cultural and natural characteristics. They are manifested in specific customs, speech and architecture. The diverse Mediterranean landscape draws its unique charm from vineyards and olive plantations, small clustered villages, the high rocks of the Karst Edge, unspoiled nature in the valley of the caustic Dragonja river. There is no end to the interesting features. The magnificent Os wall is a climber's paradise. Daring adventurers, cyclists, hikers and excursionists, you're invited to enjoy yourselves and regain energy. Visit the mysterious menhir. Step behind the walls of the little church in Herstolje and learn about its famous medieval fresco, The Dance of Death. Istria is also a painter by nature. Numerous lookout points and unexpected encounters with its rich history offer incredible sights. Gourmets and gastronomes are enchanted by the authentic Istrian cuisine. Truffles, pasta, Mediterranean vegetables, game, poultry. And excellent olive oil, the quality of which has been recognized even by the most demanding connoisseurs. For a perfect pleasure, treat yourself to the indigenous Gold Malvasia or Ruby Refosco, one of 3 top-class world wines with the highest content of antioxidants. Toast to the procession of delicious desserts with sweet muscat. Istria is as picturesque and diverse as its green hills, villages and amazing sights. You will find here interwoven cultures and you will delight in nature's imagination. Experience Istria in the midst of aquamarine waves in the hinterland of Koper. Koper, a microcosm of Istria.